Hey guys, so a couple days ago I bought a Amazon customer return pallet, electronics pallet from a liquidation site, and I only paid $300 and it's valued at $2,068. So I got 3 boxes of various returns, and potentially warehouse damaged items, could be brand new, just the box a little bit damaged, various things like that from Amazon. And we're gonna see what we got, see if we can, if it's worth what I paid. So this box was kind of opened when it showed up, so let's open that up. All right, so right off the top, looks like a iPad case and keyboard, it looks like. This is not the factory wrapping, so we're not diminishing any value here. Looks like a broken charging cable, so that's a good start. Tech is the brand. Otherwise, it looks pretty nice. Obviously, it's used. Its cable's broken, but pretty nice. I don't have an iPad personally, but good start, I would say. Maybe 10-15 bucks. And then we have round labels. I'm not really sure. I guess there's an example. We heart our customers. There's some round labels to put on your packages sending out. Maybe, $5. I'm not sure. And we got a mystery box, kind of. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like a Bluetooth speaker. Looks pretty nice. UE, I don't know if that's the brand. Might have to look that one up later and see what kind of value that is, but I may keep it for myself also. Who knows? That's pretty nice. Alright, and not super exciting one, but we got some copy paper. I mean, if you got a printer, that's good stuff. Then we have, it's got a display port on it. Oh, it's a single display port converting to 3 additional display ports. So to potentially copy the same image from your computer to 3 different monitors. Good for presentations, I guess. Then we have just a wall connector for a USB port. So if you have the cable, just right here, just plug it in and you got the connector. So that's pretty nice. Then we have Eva Plus. This looks like a laptop charger or something. Might have to research that a little bit to see what it would work with. I remember. Alright, and then we have, oh, this looks like a car converter, cigarette lighter converter. According to the back, it says it goes with iPad, iPhone, notebook, PSP, camera. Not sure what the, I imagine it's just a wall outlet converter, but, oh, USB charger. Okay. Converts to USB. That's pretty nice for a car, since most things are USB charged these days. And then we have a very small mouse. Obviously opened. It's a wireless mini travel optical mouse. Looks like the dongle's missing, so I'm not sure. Yeah, there's no storage in here, so I don't know if that can turn into anything. If you can't use the mouse, it's not of much value, so we'll put that over there. And we have an Amazon Basics USB to Ethernet converter. Too bad I just bought one of those recently, but now I got another one. Okay. This looks like, okay, so this is replacement tops for an electric toothbrush. Looks like just 2 of them, or 3 of them actually, it says, unless they took one out and returned it. I don't think they look used, and they have some covers for them, so as long as they're not used, it could be nice. I actually have a couple electric toothbrushes, so maybe it'll fit one of them. We have calligraphy pens. Looks like double tipped for thicker and thinner drawing. So card making, lettering, scrapbooking. If anybody's into that, just hit me up. Email will be in the description. A book of some sort. Journal, planner, I don't know. It might be just a journal. It's got, you know, decorative pages and stuff, different stuff on each one. So that's kind of cool. I don't have a journal. Oh yeah, it would go good with the pens. Calligraphy can draw and already it almost looks watercolored. The some of these pages. Looks pretty nice. We got another Amazon Basics, looks like an iPad, iPhone charger. I don't have an iPhone, but obviously the box is a little bit beaten up. Sounds like it's inside there though. Let's open it, make sure it's not broken. Looks in good condition. Let's move this, because that's not. What else do we have? This one's pretty heavy. Replacement battery for iRobot. Roomba. Maybe I'll have to buy a Roomba. Yeah, replacement battery. Okay. I'll be putting values on each of these things after I finish here. Just a 3-pack of note cards. You know, also goes good with the calligraphy pens. And I got a loose battery. It's valuable. Display port to VGA, I believe. Yep, VGA. So the blue one. Display port to VGA. So if you have a monitor that takes a display port, you can plug in VGA cable to your computer to this converter. It's pretty handy. And we have an auxiliary cable. You know, 3 foot maybe. And we have a screen protector for, not exactly sure which phone this goes to, but we'll figure that out. And then we also have this looks like an OtterBox type thing. Oh yeah, OtterBox. Again, I'm not sure which phone this belongs to, but OtterBox, and I'll update what phone this belongs to. And then we also have a loose cable, or a loose case. It's a little bit beaten up, it's flimsy material, you know, maybe $1. Still not sure which phone. This looks like another screen protector type thing. Yeah. It's been obviously opened. Looks like somebody might have taken the screen protector and just returned the box. Amazon has a very loose return policy, so this looks like it might be a similar. Yep. Oh, this says it's an iPhone case. It looks like. It actually looks like the back of an iPhone. Oops. Dropping pieces. It's a SIM card replacement holder to match your pink case, and obviously it's been opened. It's got various other little attachments as well to cover maybe some portholes or something. Alright, let's look at this guy. We have a all-in-one sound system, glowing and flashing coloring lights for Firebird, or from Firebird. It also says Sound Beast on it. It's a audio system, karaoke speaker, PA system, mini guitar amp. It does it all. It's Bluetooth, so I guess whatever you can connect to it. And then we have a stapler. Just a normal stapler you find in any classroom or office. Does it have any staples? Swing line, so it's a good brand at least. And it's full of staples. Valuable. I think I have 3. What else do we have? What is this? This is Kinfei V. Oh, looks like it's a power adapter. Plugs into the wall outlet and converts to 4 USB ports and 3 outlets. I might keep that too. That's pretty valuable. That could be useful. Okay, and then actually, fine. Already pulled it out. Gotta go with it. 3 USB to Type-C cables, and I don't know if these are to wrap it up, but 3 of those. That's, I don't know, 6 feet, 10 feet. I'm not sure how long they are, but those are pretty nice as well. I think the one I have is going bad, so a lot of valuable stuff for keeping at home already. Okay, and then we have another stylus pen. Oh, that's fancy stuff. It's got a battery. This is fancier than I use, so I don't even know what a battery would be used for on that. Superfine nib active capacity. that means anything to you, let me know what it means. Alright, let's look at a bigger box here. We have a voice clarifying TV listening system. So it's headphones that you can look pretty silly wearing because they hang down below your head. I don't know why they're watching together, if only he's wearing it, but you can have your own TV ears. And then we also have it's an iPad case of sorts. There's a hard case and a soft rubber, both pink, obviously. Again, I don't know. I guess this may not necessarily be iPad, but I don't know which one it goes to. Doesn't really have a size. But the hard one does have one of those kickstands. You can sit your. Okay. And another stylus pen. The same thing, super fine nib active capacity. This one happens to be taped shut. Never cut towards yourself. Oh. This is very different from the last one. I'm going to have to investigate that a little bit because it's got the same case but a very different pen. Looks like the charger does go with the pen, however. Actually, this says for, it's kind of typed over itself, but iPad Air, possibly. We also have this is a phone stand, not in its original packaging. So you put your phone right up on there, plug this in here. So I assume it's a wireless charger as well. Wireless charger, yep. It's, I don't see a MILWAUKEE to look up if that goes with all phones, all wireless charging ability phones, or just Android or just Apple. Alright. And then let's go for this big guy here. We have a Swingline 9-inch laminator. It has a jam release lever. I'll have to test that out, make sure it works. It's just a laminator. It's pretty cool. That could be, you know, 20 bucks or something at least. This looks like a laptop of some type case. Pretty flimsy case. I don't know how much it would protect. It's got a crack in the side here as well and a chip off the corner. Not the highest of qualities. What else do we have? This looks like an Apple Pencil, which kind of sounds like, looks like the what the other thing was. How do you open this thing? Oh. I feel like Apple Pencil's gonna be really expensive. Certified refurbished from Amazon. So it must actually be in here. It is in here. And there's a charger inside there. I kind of want to look this one up right now. I don't know if there's a... version. I think they only made, oh, goes with iPad Pro 12.9 inch, first and second generation. I feel like all of them, I don't know. Let's see. Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil, 95 bucks. So used at least 50. Half off. That's a pretty good find. I will take it. Okay, we got a couple more items in here, 6 or so. We have a screen protector for Apple Watch for the 40mm and 38mm Apple Watch. We got a screen protector. Make sure it's in here. It looks to be all unopened and in here. Maybe. Maybe everything but the screen protector. Well, I'll take a look at that. All right, and then we have a pink pineapple case for, looks like an iPhone. Again, not sure on the version. Seems like a pretty good case though, especially if you like pineapples. We also have more calligraphy pens. There's 4 in here. I guess there's 4 in the other one. So yeah, same thing. Another set of these. We have it looks like another iPhone. Another nice case. This one's pretty sturdy and pink, and looks like it's got the pop out for holding it. Still don't have an iPhone. And another case. Invisible Shield is the name of this one. I'm not sure what this one goes with either. I'm going to have to research some of these to find which phones they go to. And we have a wireless keyboard, it appears. Sticky is sticking to it. We got a wireless keyboard. Looks like a nice keyboard. And mouse. And actually that's probably where that other battery goes. Actually, there's one. That's got an extra battery. This looks pretty nice. Got a little bit of stickiness stuck on it. I'm not sure how it connects. If it's just Bluetooth or what. Drop that. But looks pretty nice. I don't see a dongle though, so it may not work. We'll have to look at it. We got 2 more items in here. This looks like a heavy-duty case for an iPad or something. Don't see a brand. So I'll have to update that as well. Well, this looks like one of those heavy duty cases, and looks like maybe even a keyboard in there. And then the last item in here, we have a portable video player. I assume a DVD player. That's pretty nice for on the go. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's still wrapped real nice. So that might be still a factory wrapping inside there. Well, I'm gonna box up the rest of this, and we'll start on the next one. All right, so now for box number 2. This one's actually taped, so half of it. Okay. All right, so right off the top, let's start here. Some office organizers, just those, plastic things. That's, $5, $10, I don't know, for somebody that needs to organize their office. We got a movie, Beyond the Sea. Never actually heard of that. It's got Kevin Spacey, Kate Bosworth, John Goodman. And it looks like it's from Blockbuster. And this looks good. It's, $5 maybe, I don't know. And then we have a miniature electric pencil sharpener. If you use normal pencils instead of mechanical pencils, you're all set there. And a glass screen protector for the S10 and S10 Plus Galaxy S10. I'm not sure if it's in there. No. So no screen protector, just the cleaning supplies. So that's pretty much garbage. Alright, let's take a look here. We have Ride Lonesome. Looks like an older movie. That again, I have not heard of. We'll see if it's inside there. DVD, Ride Lonesome. Disc looks pretty good. I'll have to look that one up. See if that's of any value. Let's just get this big one out of the way here. So, top has somebody's address on it. It says a cable locator. I'm going to open it this way so that I'm not giving away somebody's address. Amazon commercial cable locator. That's not just sold by Amazon. Okay. That's some fancy stuff. I don't know what a cable locator is, but yeah, this is all Amazon commercial stuff. I'm gonna have to research that a little bit more as well. See what that's all about. I can't get it closed. Okay. Okay. All right, next item. We have a 3.5 millimeter Type-C audio cable. So Type-C to audio. Okay. For those phones that have removed their headphone jack, now we can convert it. And then we have a remote control ocean wave projector nightlight. So as you can see here, looks like it might play some sounds as well. It's got a remote control. That's pretty cool if you like the ocean, and looks like it's got a couple different colors and images. It says it has a motor, so I wonder if it kind of spins around as well. Pretty cool. Alright, now we have a Van Mass car mount. Make life simple. This looks like a relatively nice car mount for, I would assume, any phone. Okay, and we have finger pulse oximeter. Determine your SpO2 and pulse rate in seconds. Okay. I'm not sure what that would be used for. Medical supplies, maybe? Fancy stuff, huh? We have designed for Samsung Invisible Shield Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra screen protector, and it looks to be unopened. So that's in the original casing or original packaging. That could be worth a little bit of something. Kind of beaten up box, of course, but lightning cable, lightning charger to USB camera adapter. Cable looks in good shape. It's got a USB and a Type-C adapter on it. That's pretty nice. And again, if anything in here piques your interest, just hit me up on my email in the description, and we'll see what we can work out. And of course, I'll have the prices posted as well. And this, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a kid's device case. A little foam looking thing. Let's see. Oh, that's not gonna happen. Fire HD tablet. So maybe not necessarily a kid's version. I can't read it. It's got a sticker over the name, but again, do some research on that. Alright, this thing has been staring me in the face, so we're going to see what it is. First of all, llamas. Looks like a big binder of some sort. Case it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so it looks, yeah, school binder. Binder, it's got the organizing. Got a, okay, so the whole thing zips up to protect the binder portion, and then you can also just open here for the organization. If you like llamas, this is the one for you. Alright, we have a, looks like a wireless mouse, somewhat ergonomical. See if it's got the dongle with it. Amazon Basics wireless mouse. Just cut my nails so I can't get this up. Dongle is in here. Alright, so it's a wireless mouse. Amazon Basics. Looks like a nice mouse. Can't get it close though. Okay. Alright, what else do we have? This looks like a Wii remote cover for all new, Alexa, Amazon Fire Stick case. Orangish pink. It's pretty nice. Dog chewed on mine, so could have used it. We have a 6-foot DisplayPort to HDMI cable. So another one of those converters. Your monitor or computer doesn't have one or the other. L8 Star fitness tracker. I might have to look that one up to see if this is anything fancy. What else do we have? This looks like 2 more Alexa remote cases. We got a purple one and a lighter blue. Could be also a dark blue, but it looks like a purple. TE Smart 4-2. Oh, okay. So it's a KVM, keyboard, mouse, video converter. So it's got all the attachments to go into one thing. It looks like it's all here. Not sure what that's valued at, but I will update that as well. Okay. Oh, and we have a, looks like a camera of some type, an IP camera. Box is a little bit broken up. Oh, I'm not helping the box. Okay. Looks to be in here, looks to be a little bit dirty. Needs a cleanup, and I'll have to test it to make sure it works. But otherwise, nice little find. Amicon is the brand name. Got another, looks like a laptop charging cable. 45-watt AC adapter. And a 6-foot iPhone charging cable. A Super Shield screen protector for Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Is it in there? Seems pretty flimsy. I'm gonna say no. Oh, this could be it, actually. This could be it. I don't know how big the Galaxy Tab is, but it's a really big container for that little. Alright, we have another screen protector, Glass Screen Pro Plus for the Note 10. So that is actually what I have. So I might actually use this one. I might keep this one. And this looks like a nice little case. It's like leather looking. One of those that you open up, and this looks like something that would be maybe a Samsung tab type thing as well, but I'll have to do some more research on that. And this looks like it is actually in the original packaging, so. What do we have here? This looks like a... So this is Mario Party 7 for the GameCube. And it looks like some type of controller or something that goes with it. I'm turning around in my driveway. Yeah, so a GameCube controller. Looks like a microphone or something. I'm not sure if you sing in Mario Party or what you do, but that's something to look into. But Mario Party 7, I have a GameCube. We can try that out. Test it, make sure it works. This is a cable. It just says cable. Comprehensive cable solution. Looks like HDMI to VGA converter there as well. And then we have Amazon Fire TV. Looks like a harder case cover for it. Universal remote attachment for the Fire TV. How does this open? Yeah, so looks like it attaches onto the Fire Stick as a harder attachment to protect it a little bit better. And we got, 3 more items in here. It looks like we got a electronic calculator. Looks like an older style. Yeah, so solar powered calculator. Does what you need it to do. And then another one of these, it looks like it's the same type of leather type case. You can see this one maybe a little bit better. And again, I'll have to look at what that even goes along with, what it fits. And then last item in here, Unicorn Beetle Pro. Looks like a case for, it's a very flimsy case, probably an iPad or something like that. So that's all for this box as well. And I think we'll make the third box into a separate video. And again, if you want anything out of this, we can talk prices and just hit me up in my email and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.